How to allow whispers from people on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can allow whispers from people on Twitch. So this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Twitch account. Once you're logged in into your Twitch account, the next step is to move to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon and click on it. So on the profiles page, the next step is for you to click on account settings, and then on the account settings page, you can see some options. Go ahead to select security and privacy, and then you'll be brought to the security and privacy page. So on this page, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see block whispers from strangers. All right, so you can see that automatically it's usually blocked, but then if you want to allow it, just click on this toggle this way, and then anybody can send you whispers on Twitch, and that way you set it that way and you're good to go. So you can just go back to your Twitch account and do whatever you like. So this is how to allow whispers from people on your Twitch account. So go ahead to try this out, okay? Thank you for watching and have a good day.